plasterboard production line is produced. Paper plasterboard special equipment to meet its high-speed operation and the characteristics of coordination of various systems practically improve the overall automatic control level. The whole equipment adopts PLC automatic control. The drive system selects the high-quality brand. Gypsum powder, modified starch, foaming agent, water, automatic measurement of all raw materials. Add to production line. The paper supply system adopts air expansion shaft and magnetic powder pneumatic brake and quasi-axial hydraulic automatic deviation rectifying machine. Ensure the stable operation of the equipment. The slurry passes through a vibrating, evenly distributed extrusion machine and extruded into a continuous pulp surface gypsum board. The wet plate completes the initial setting at the solidification end. Conveying roller plays the role of gypsum board transmission and heat dissipation. The cutter adopts German Sauce servo motor. The cutting area shall not exceed 2 mm. Qualified plasterboard is turned over by no-one transverse machine. Then use a closed roller table after distributing the machine into the dryer drying. Under the strict control of each temperature zone of the dryer, the starch migrates the plate to the protective paper. Each zone has a jet joint and a suction joint. Can blow heat to each layer. Temperature curve for drying requirements. Avoid overburning, dry and other defects. After drying, screw the ejector in order to release into the null to horizontal system. In order to systematize the following: reversing, laminating, trimming, and other processes. Plasterboard to complete fixed length edge cutting. Automatic edge packing into stacking. The finished plasterboard is sent to the finished product warehouse.